Hello guys, we'll be talking on a particular vehicle type for the first time. That's a truck. A truck made by Ford. The Ford Raptor. So starting off with one of the most important things, who owns Ford? Ford is owned by Ford Motors Company, which also happens to own Lincoln. Now the engine of the car. So the Ford Raptor has a twin turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. The Ford Raptor has a 10-speed automatic transmission which obviously works very well off-road and it works very well on-road too. Now coming to some fun facts of the Ford Raptor. The Ford Raptor can handle Baja's torque without any modifications. And if you guys are wondering what is Baja, Baja is one of the toughest off-road races in the world. It's very hard. A lot of cars are specially modified and made to compete in this race, while the Ford Raptor can handle its torque. And Baja is pronounced as Baja, but its actual spelling is Baja. And the Shelby is a brand which this brand is like Brabus. While Brabus converts Mercedes vehicles into monsters, Shelby does the same to Ford. It changes the Mustang and the Raptor. So the Shelby made a version of the Raptor called Baja 1000, and it just has bigger suspension, bigger tires, and basically more. It just makes it more off-road capable. And Raptor fans really want the 6.2-liter V8, which was available in models up to 2011 back. But instead, Ford is replacing these V8s with high-performance V6 engines. Raptor fans really want the V8s back, mostly only because of their sound, because the high performance V6 engines actually perform more than the 6.2-liter V8s, and people really like modifying the Raptor. Normally, if you see any car modified on the road, you think it's special. If you see a Ford Raptor not modified, then you'll be like, why is it not modified? Like, basically, mostly all the Raptors are modified. And people jump the car a lot also. Some people jump its stock also. And the Raptor can handle small jumps thanks to its amazing suspension. And surprisingly, the F-150 Raptor is an incredibly comfortable vehicle. It's a little awkward to get in and out of because of its high ground clearance, but you can put running boards on the car, which will fully solve the problem. And the Raptor is so comfortable because of its suspension. Now coming to the statistics of the Ford Raptor. So the Raptor has 450 maximum horsepower and 691 maximum newton meters of torque, and its top speed is 107 miles per hour, which is 172 kilometers per hour. And that top speed is excellent considering it's a off-road beast, not a typical sports car or supercar. And it can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds, which is also amazing. Ford Raptor is one of the most aggressive and best looking trucks right now in the market, and we're going to review it from front, side, and back. The Ford Raptor from the front looks very aggressive thanks to those headlights and that huge grille with Ford's name written on it. And Ford Raptor from the side also looks very aggressive, but not as aggressive as it looks from the front. And from the back, I reckon the Raptor looks the least aggressive. It doesn't look that good from behind. Now, the price of the Raptor. As many of you might have guessed it till now, this off-road beast does not come cheap. It starts from 53,500 to 75,000 US dollars, which is 196,000 to 275,000 AED, which is very expensive. Guys, if you have any doubt or question regarding the Ford Raptor or any car brands, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, found it informative, please like, share and subscribe the video, as it will really mean a lot to me. Okay guys, if you like the Mighty Beast, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Catch you later.